all, welcome all to my channel, MGBL. I hope you've been enjoying the content I've been producing lately. This video will mark my first actual video, and now we're talking about my collection. I didn't necessarily go purchase these shoes, but I have a big collection of shoes, so I'm going to be reviewing each and every one of them. Maybe I'll put some in the same video if they're similar, but that's pretty much where I'm trying to go with this. And if you guys didn't know, so I got a mic, so my audio should be a bit better. Obviously, I'm gonna do the edits afterwards, but you know, I picked this up for $100. It's not too bad. I'm just trying to level up my audio game a bit, so you can gotta guess what I'm saying. But today, I want to review, I would say, a very rare type of Jordan. Maybe it's not rare to you, but to me, it's kind of rare. And it's these ones right here. They're called Jordan Son of Mars. And these shoes are 2012, so they're over 10 years old. And they were released in March of that year. So very like shoe. It's got mixes of 4s, 5s, 6s, and 20s. So this is kind of a mashup of all the Jordans over the years. On your tongue, you got the Air Jordan. That's from the 5. And then you got the sole that's similar to the Retro 5. So basically, some elements all mix up here, right? And the big thing that sticks out is this strap over here. Now, with these shoes I kind of changed up the laces to match the green. So like one has yellow, one has green, because like they're just a bunch of random colors. And the name of the shoe, Pop Art, it gets its name from the 50s art movement that they had all those years ago. So Jordan, I guess, decided to release an shoe that is kind of like the underdog, but you don't see a lot of people wear this. And let me tell you, these shoes are very rare, and people ask us, what kind of shoes are these? Because you don't see these shoes often. They're from 2012. People like Jay-Z, Lil Wayne, I'm gonna put up a photo up on the corner there, like kind of those guys there. Like, look at all the photos on the side there. Like, these kind of artists were wearing these shoes back in the day. And obviously, me being younger, I didn't know. But as I got into shoes, I was studying their style. I found out Son of Mars, Pop Art, that's what they're called. Now, if you go on StockX, brand new, these retail for $1,000, typical for Jordans. But I bought these during COVID, so 2020. So I bought them when they were like 8 years old. So the sole is kind of like yellowing and stuff, but like it's not bad. I think it gives it like a unique kind of look. So like, I mean, it's not really that bad, and it fits true to size. This is a size 11. I don't have the box, unfortunately. I had to throw it out. You got the cement print from the 3s, so kind of like a lot of mesh here. This mesh doesn't turn yellow like most Jordans these days, thank God. So I got that. This is from the 3s. This is from the 5s. The 20s a bit on the side. You got a bit of 6s over there, if you can see the perforation. So they kind of just mashed it all into one shoe. And you know what? I think they look pretty good. I'm not even going to lie. You know, with this tumbled action leather, the big strap that you can put over, honestly, it doesn't make a difference if you slip them on. I'm just being honest with you. But yeah, you got that side. That's the back of the shoe. You got the Jordan logo, cement print, and then you got the pull tab from the 7s. So, I mean, I don't know. It's a pretty good shoe. And you know that it's something, it's a conversation starter, because not a lot of people have these. See, I see everybody wearing Panda Dunks or Nike Air Force Ones, you know. They're all good shoes without a shadow of a doubt, but I want something different. I want something retro. I want something that people don't have. Like, I've never seen someone have a pair like these other than me. You know, like, I like to be different and unique. And this shoe can deliver pretty good, especially when you got the 2 laces I have, like green and yellow. You can see right here, green, and you take off this strap, I got green. I think it's okay, because I think shoes is an expression of art, like your art style. Like if you're artistic and stuff and you want to be creative, then obviously shoes play a role in that. I'm artistic, I paint, I do music, I do a lot of stuff on the side. So I mean, these kind of fit into what I like to do. And honestly, the biggest attraction to me is this blue sole and just all these colors. Like, they look really good. Like, it's not a shoe that they just put all together and looks like bad. This looks really good. And I'm glad that I have them. And for comfort wise, I give them like an 8 out of 10. And these aren't bricks. Usually shoes from that era, like 10 years old, 11 years old, they are like bricks. You can't walk in them. They're heavy, they're bulky. You know, I don't feel that in the shoe. I mean, obviously it looks bulky, right? It's a pretty wide shoe. You know, it's got the back end of a 5, Retro 5, right? But at the same time, like, honestly, I really like the shoe. It's slim fitting inside. My foot feet feel great in it. The air heel's still relevant. There's no like decay on the sole. Usually shoes of this age are like the sole's peeling off, it's ripping, it's tearing. Like, it looks like someone smoldered it with fire. But at the same time, it's really cool. Like, I really, really like these shoes. I mean, You can't go wrong with a pair of these. Now, would I recommend them? Of course. Would I recommend you pay $1,000? No way. Not worth it. You can get better Jordans, rare ones, but if you can find these for a good deal, then you can find them. Look, see? They're pretty cool, man. I'm really such an avid collector of shoes. They're such an expression of who I am. And I'm sure you guys watching this video are all sneakerheads, hype beasts, they love fashion. Even if you don't like fashion, you're artsy, you like showing off, you like customizing. So, you know, I'm part of that big family. But guys, just be careful when you're just buying these. Make sure they're authentic. I got them off eBay as usual. I had a buddy check them out before I bought them. I bought these local in Canada. Somebody had them here in Canada. So, I mean, I'm pretty happy, honestly. I can't really say, but this is like one shoe I got a review out of like maybe 80 or 90. I don't even remember anymore. But I'm going to keep uploading monthly. So once or twice a month I'm going to upload. I'm going to start doing shorts about these. I got an on feet coming. You'll see snippets in the video as I go along. I'm going to put them in. But honestly, these shoes will look good with really any outfit. Track pants, jeans, ripped jeans, those baggy jeans. Actually, you know what? These will look good with baggy jeans. Like, you know, all those Balenciaga type of jeans, wide, big, like... If you got big jeans, these will fit in. If you got really skinny jeans and you put your foot in, it doesn't look good because you look like you're a big foot. But that's just my opinion. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to go over these beauties, these gems. They're one of the rarest pieces in my collection. I would not sell them, or maybe I would, depending. I mean, if I get a lot of subscribers, like I'm trying to aim for 100 right now, I might do a giveaway on a pair of shoes, so stay tuned for that. Get subscribed. But honestly, guys, just rock what you like, and that's all I can say about that. And that's really is the bottom line of things. So I'm going to be wrapping up this video. I've had a lot of other videos up. They're going to be somewhere in this corner over here. Like, I think I'll put it up here. Like, and then subscribe will be right here. So don't worry too much about that. But guys, thanks for the support. I appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.